Hi guys, we all know how to split data to different columns, but what if we want to join two columns or multiple columns in one column? Then here is how to do it using join function. So for that, just type join. Now here first one is delimiter. That means with which string it will be joined together. So let's say these are names, so we will type space. If we want to join it with comma, then this should be joined with a comma. They will be joined with a comma. If they are joined simply without any thing in between, just remove everything from these double quotes inside the double quotes. But let's, for the sake of an example, let's join them with comma. Now type another comma, and now we will choose the values which we want to join. So you can just select the first value and put comma, second value, however, whatever fields you want to join. Let's say we want to join all these four together, and then close the bracket, hit enter, and these are joined with commas. Okay, let's say there is a name here, first name and last name, and you want to join here these two. Then what we'll do, we'll just use the join function, and inside the double quotes we will add the delimiter, the separator between these two. So space will be the delimiter. Now the value of array 1 comma the value of array 2, enter, and these are added. So if there are multiple name, okay, multiple name in different columns, okay, now just drag them like this and they will be added according to the formula. So this is how we can use the join function in Google Sheets very easily. Thanks for watching. Please do like.